Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best serums for dry skin. There are lots of options out there, but in this review, I will be focusing on the top 5 best serums for dry skin. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Let's watch the video. Number 5. e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Triple Bounce Serum. The e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration is the moisturizing serum you've been searching for if you want a plump, bouncy complexion. The Triple Bounce Serum is an excellent choice for those with dry skin who want to achieve a more moisturized and supple complexion. I highly recommend this product. The serum is supercharged with 1.7% hyaluronic acid in 3 different molecular weights to deliver a surge of hydration to the skin. The bouncy gel texture easily blends into the skin, leaving it feeling smooth and supple. The serum is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and Leaping Bunny certified, making it a great choice for those who prioritize ethical and sustainable beauty products. The e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Triple Bounce Serum features 3 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid that work together to provide 3 different intensities of hydration. This serum is also formulated with squalane, niacinamide, and vitamin B5 to help deliver maximum hydration and reveal fresh, plump, and supple skin. Overall, I highly recommend the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Triple Bounce Serum for those with dry skin who want to achieve a more hydrated and supple complexion. Number 4. Cetaphil Optimal Hydration Illuminating Lotion Serum. Cetaphil Optimal Hydration Illuminating Lotion Serum is a great choice for anyone with dry and sensitive skin who is looking for a product that can provide deep hydration and soothe skin sensitivity. I highly recommend this product for anyone who wants to improve the quality of their skin over time. Lightweight serum with hyaluronic acid absorbs instantly and soothes skin sensitivity. Refines and smooths skin to improve appearance after just 1 month. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, blue daisy, vitamin B5 and antioxidant-rich vitamin E to reveal radiant skin. Hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic and non-irritating. Paraben and SLS-free, dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested on sensitive skin. Cetaphil Optimal Hydration Illuminating Lotion Serum is a must-have for anyone with dry and sensitive skin. The serum is designed to provide deep hydration and improve the quality of sensitive skin over time. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, vitamin B5, and antioxidant-rich vitamin E to rehydrate and soothe. Overall, I highly recommend Cetaphil Optimal Hydration Illuminating Serum for anyone with dry and sensitive skin who is looking for a product that can provide deep hydration and soothe skin sensitivity. Number 3. Aveeno Complex Restore Triple Oat Hydrating Face Serum. Aveeno Complex Restore Triple Oat Hydrating Face Serum is a gentle, lightweight serum suitable for dry and sensitive skin. The serum is formulated with nourishing oat and calming feverfew that can effectively soothe and fortify your skin's moisture barrier, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and hydrated after just 1 use. The fast-absorbing and hypoallergenic formula is free of fragrances, parabens, phthalates, dyes, and alcohols, making it safe and gentle for sensitive skin. The serum is clinically proven to be gentle on eczema-prone skin, and it's recommended by dermatologists, so you can trust its quality and effectiveness. In my experience, Aveeno Complex Restore Triple Oat Hydrating Face Serum is a great serum that can help soothe and hydrate dry and sensitive skin without causing irritation or breakouts. The serum has a lightweight and non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. I love how the serum is formulated with natural and nourishing ingredients like oat and feverfew, which can help calm and strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, and how it's free of harsh chemicals and fragrances that can irritate sensitive skin. Overall, Aveeno Complex Restore Triple Oat Hydrating Face Serum is a gentle and effective serum that can help restore your skin's natural moisture barrier and leave it feeling soothed and hydrated. Number 2. Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum is an excellent option if you're searching for a powerful anti-aging serum that hydrates your skin, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and protects your skin from the environment. Feel confident all day, every day with this hydrating hyaluronic acid serum. Get rid of hyperpigmentation that is slowing you down with this serum. The face serum for glowing skin helps create a youthful appearance, making skin appear dewer and brighter. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and scarring. This is vegan, paraben, and sulfate-free with gentle and effective clean ingredients. Acido Hyaluronico Puro Pero Rostro is lightweight, suitable for all skin types, and provides long-lasting results. Overall, this hydrating serum must have in your skincare routine. It completely rejuvenates and freshens up your face. Number 1. CeraVe Hyaluronic Acid Serum. CeraVe Hyaluronic Acid Serum is a hydrating serum designed to target dry skin, providing 24-hour hydration and reducing the appearance of dry lines. This serum is formulated with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and vitamin B5. The serum has a lightweight, gel texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. It contains 3 essential ceramides that help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. The formula is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic. The serum has a smooth texture that feels refreshing on the skin, and it doesn't leave a sticky or greasy residue. I also appreciate that the serum is fragrance-free and doesn't cause any irritation or redness. Overall, I think the CeraVe Hyaluronic Acid Serum is a great option for anyone looking for a lightweight, hydrating serum that targets dry skin. It's affordable, easy to use, and contains beneficial ingredients like ceramides and vitamin B5. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.